All right, hi students. Here's another way to scan documents. All right, so if you have your phone or have access to a phone in your house and you want to try the Fast Scanner app, that's what I'm about to show you here. So I've already downloaded it. I'm going to click open. And yes, you want to allow picture record video. And yeah, you want to give it that permission. Okay, so then this is how we do it. Tap the camera button to start. It actually gives you directions to walk through. And I want to scan this document, all right? So I would try to get the whole page, because for my class, you need to make sure you get the whole page of everything, but it's really hard for this demonstration. So I'm going to start with this. There's a button for me to select. All right, so like it does hold still. It wants to verify the frame is correct, so I can actually bring this down a little bit if it's not cropped correctly. That's a nice feature about scans. All right, so now I'm going to click the check mark. Voila, I've got it. You can adjust the contrast if it's not, showing enough contrast. All right. So yeah, I probably want more in the middle. That's probably the standard. And I'm going to click check. We need to name it. All right, so you should name it whatever the title name is and your name. So this might be my 1.2. Whoops, sorry. 0.2.6 project. Step 2. Fagan. All right, and I'm going to put a number on here because I've already got one of those already. All right, so I'm going to click OK. And then we go to it, I believe. And we're going to try to export this somewhere. All right, so you can email yourself. That might be pretty easy. Sharing, if you have Google Drive set up on your phone, you can save straight to it. I'm trying to see if it will go to my Canvas app automatically. Oh, check it out, Canvas. All right, so go to Canvas. We'll say allow. And as a student, yeah, I can submit assignment. In fact, I just click down to see what assignment I want, right? I haven't turned that in yet, so I have to submit it, I guess. But yeah, that'd be one way to do it. The other way, like I was trying to show, would be put in your Google Drive. And from your Google Drive, yeah, move it to Canvas. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for working on this.